Hello everybody, my name is Jason. So today we're gonna open the action camera accessories. Today it is all-in-one accessories, or should I say 14 in 1. Itong may kasamang tripod, my chest, and everything else. See all the boxes here. This is how the sample looks like. Everything over here, and it has the case, large size carry case. Next is the chest mount harness, and this is the one. It's like a floating monopod, and next is the head. It has another mount too. These all the accessories. Cell phone holder, and the silver mini tripod. So we're gonna unbox it right now. The first thing is you have to move this tape around over here, but you have to remove this tape. This is the bag, guys. All the accessories are here. Today, just move this plastic. Just move the plastic. Alright. This is the case. So what you see inside is all the accessories. There you go, guys. These are the accessories. This thing is just for water. This is the silver mini tripod. This all the mounts with the body chest and the head chest. And we have the monopod and all other accessories with the head, everything. See, alright guys, this is how it looks like, the accessories. Alright, those are all the accessories. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.